How to log in to Facebook using Instagram. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this video. To log in into your Facebook application, you need to tap open your Facebook app. Now, if you want to log into your account, select the option of log into another account. Now, before you type in your Instagram credential to log in into your Facebook account, we must assure of some of the settings in your Instagram account. For that, you can exit from your Facebook. Now go ahead and open up your Instagram application and make sure to log in into your account. Select your user icon at the bottom, then tap on the three-line icon at the top. Tap on Account Center. Now firstly, select sharing across profiles and make sure that you have added your Facebook account. Then tap on logging in with account, then select choose which account can log into another account. Add your Facebook account if you have not yet. Now once we have linked our account and logging in access, you can check out of your Instagram, then again tap open your Facebook application. Now you can successfully go ahead and type in your username of your Instagram or use the email address linked to your Instagram, enter your password, then select the login option. By this way, you'll be able to log into your Facebook using your Instagram credential. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to us.